Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can change your Squarespace background color. So at first click on your website and then tap on this edit bar. After that what you have to do is I have to suppose change this one. So if I hover over it, you see something called edit section. Just click on this one and then there you'll see this option called colors. Just tap on that one, and here it says to change the theme's color, visit theme editor. So click on this one, and then suppose I want to search, so just click on search for colors and then click on this one and then go to edit palette and whatever color you want it to be. Suppose I want blue, so just select blue and then this one to green, and you see this is changing to whatever I do, and this is basically how you can change your Squarespace background color. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.